Sony Bravia 9 is a premium 4K mini LEDs TV released in May 2024. Thousands of mini LEDs are precisely controlled and produce authentic contrast and brightest 4K TV. Panel refresh rate is 120 Hz. It is available in 65, 75, and 85-inch sizes. With support for AirPlay 2 and built-in Chromecast, anyone can easily stream to Bravia 9. Bravia 9 has 4 HDMI inputs, digital audio output, and 2 USB ports. Bluetooth version is 5.3. Display resolution is 4K, 3840 to 2160 pixels. Virtual assistants are Apple, AirPlay, and Google Assistant. Android and iOS are compatible mobile app. Audio power output is 70 watts. Frame tweeters are positioned in the left and right sides of its frame, and beam tweeters located at the top. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, the Bravia 9 is perfect for PlayStation 5, with auto HDR tone mapping and auto genre picture mode features kicking in when a PS5 console is detected. It also has Sony's game menu, which lets you easily adjust gaming-related settings such as picture mode, black equalizer, and picture size, as well as select crosshair type. The Bravia 9 also supports 4K Dolby Vision gaming. Bravia 9 uses the Google TV operating system. Every picture on Bravia 9 is with lifelike quality, powered by Sony's cognitive processor XR, which is designed to mimic the human brain to deliver a never-before-seen immersive viewing experience. Hundreds of thousands of individual on-screen elements are processed and graded in real time, boosting contrast, color, and clarity. Sony's X-wide angle preserves color and brightness while viewing the TV from any angle, so everyone sees a premium picture. X anti-reflection reduces screen glare, so everyone can enjoy content in any room at any part of the day. Smartphone can easily control Bravia TV. With Bravia Connect app, it can be adjusted volume and settings without needing for remote or the TV's on-screen menu. The app also provides technical support, recommendations, and helps to discover useful features. Featuring mini LEDs screen, it sits above the Sony Bravia 7 mini LED and the Bravia 8 OLED. Like all recent high-end Sony TVs, it offers a wide range of features, hands-free voice control, and the latest gaming features. Prices for 65 inches is $2,999, 75 inches is $3,499, and 85 inches is $4,799. Weight is 42 kilograms without stand, 45 kilograms with stand. The Bravia 9 series is backlit by thousands of mini LEDs that are precisely controlled by Sony's XR backlight master drive and filtered with enhanced QLED color to deliver top-of-the-line brightness, contrast, and detail.